Okay. We're losing it. We're losing it.
Great job, Maddie.
Girl.
Great job holding baby sister. You can hold her some more later, maybe.
Nana's got one more time because Nana's got a burper because she's getting a little antsy. Okay, here we go. One more time. Okay. Oh, the sweetest thing. Okay. The best. Yay! You gotta get that out to all the family.
Notice it's never mommy's turn. What does that mean?
Yeah, you're big.
Yeah, you're big, sweetie.
You're too big for that.
Nice try, though.
Don't
Oh,
fall.
careful, love.
Don't fall.
Okay, do you want to say anything else before mommy shuts us off? Okay. You know what? It's not going to happen, but I love you.
Uh-huh.
You're really trying. Give her credit.
I think she's gonna make it too.
Oh, jeez. Okay, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Well, she's even trying to get in the whole thing. That's good.
You too big. But you tried.
Nice try, honey.
You tried.